केंद्रीय पूजा समिति सीपीसी ने हाल ही में संपन्न दुर्गा पूजा उत्सव के दौरान बांग्लादेश में हिंदुओं पर हुए हमले की निंदा की है। रविवार को सीपीसी मेघालय ने मुलाकात की और बांग्लादेश में हिंदू पूजा स्थलों और दुर्गा पूजा पंडालों पर हाल ही में हुए बड़े पैमाने पर हुए हमले को गंभीर चिंता और तीव्र पीड़ा के साथ नोट किया, जिसमें हाल ही में संपन्न पूजा उत्सव के दौरान भक्तों पर अंधाधुंध हमला भी शामिल है। सीपीसी ने हमलों को पूर्व नियोजित करार दिया है। साथ ही सीपीसी ने बांग्लादेश की घटना को लेकर भारत
Unfortunate that particularly during the Durga Puja celebrations, when there was large-scale violence, vandalism, the puja pandals were razed to the ground, and even there have been a few deaths, including a child. So that is really unacceptable. It is not only for pujas, wherever in the world it happens, and we have seen a lot of intolerance. And it should not be condoned, and it should be condemned in the strongest words. Wherever it happens, we have seen churches being in Africa being razed to the ground. Bangladesh, we have witnessed Buddhist temples, churches. Pakistan, we know. Even in India, wherever it happens, it is very unfortunate, and places of worship is infringing on these human rights. Even the United Nations has in their chapter, it's infringing on the rights to worship and against the human rights. So we strongly condemn, and we urge the government of Bangladesh through our Chief Minister. We are also going to submit a memorandum to the Prime Minister to take up this issue, so that these perpetrators of the crime are reined in and stringent deterrent action is taken, so that it does not occur in any other places of the world against any religious minorities anywhere on this earth.
That you see everywhere, peace-loving people are there. In numbers may be different. In Bangladesh, peace-loving people, that intellectuals are there, but their number may be less, 10%. 90% are fundamentalists. So here we appeal for the peace-loving people of Bangladesh to restore back the normalcy, normalcy in Bangladesh, so that all the religious community can peacefully coexist. That is our message, because violence is not an answer to all these things. If anything is happened, the law should not be taken by anyone in their hand. That police is there, administration is there, let them handle the. Yeah. Suppose you see that if the incident took place in Kumilla, why all these things are spreading in outside? And it is identified that that miscreants are belong to the Islamic group, fundamentalists. They have already identified it, them. So here we want to appeal for our government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to take up the matter with his counterpart Sheikh Hasina in Bangladesh, because we have a very cordial relation with Bangladesh, India having a cordial relation. So just to explore this cordial relation, that is our appeal to the government of India as well as government of Bangladesh.